Today, we're making garlic bread completely from scratch, from a simple sourdough dough to a warm, buttery loaf filled with fresh garlic and Parmesan. We start with just a few simple ingredients: active sourdough starter, water, and bread flour. There's something special about watching ordinary ingredients slowly become a beautiful homemade loaf. Next comes the salt and a few gentle stretch and folds. Unlike aggressive kneading, this helps build strength in the dough while protecting those tiny air pockets that give sourdough its beautiful texture. After time to ferment, the dough becomes lighter, smoother, and full of life. Sourdough takes patience, and honestly, that's part of what makes the final loaf feel so rewarding. Once the dough has risen, we gently shape it, let it proof, and give it one clean score before it goes into the Dutch oven. That score gives the bread room to expand as it bakes. Then comes one of my favorite moments, watching the dough transform into a real sourdough loaf. That deep golden crust, the crackly surface, and the smell of fresh bread filling the kitchen. Homemade bread just hits differently. While the loaf cools, we make our garlic Parmesan butter with softened butter, freshly minced garlic, Parmesan, parsley, salt, and black pepper. Fresh garlic makes a huge difference here because it gives the butter that bold, aromatic flavor. Now we take that beautiful sourdough and carefully slice it, keeping the bottom connected. Then we spread the garlic butter deep into every cut, so every bite gets some of that rich, buttery flavor. A little more Parmesan, a little fresh parsley, and back into the oven it goes. As it bakes, the butter melts into the airy crumb while the edges become crisp and golden. And this is the moment we've been waiting for. Pulling it apart and seeing all that soft, buttery sourdough inside makes every step worth it. Listen to that contrast, crispy on the outside, soft and airy on the inside. The best part of making bread from scratch is knowing that you started with simple ingredients and created something you can actually share. And there it is, homemade sourdough garlic bread, made completely from scratch. It takes a little time, a little patience, and a lot of love, but some of the best things from the kitchen always do. Save this recipe and subscribe to Quick Bite Lab for more from scratch recipes.